Elon Musk's tiny house is finally making waves. This could flip the entire housing market upside down. This fully autonomous, self-sustaining smart home reportedly offers everything you'd expect from a modern house, at a price that's less than a high-end laptop. Just $7,579. Sounds insane, right? But here's the twist. It's not officially available yet. This is a leaked concept, a prototype project that Elon Musk is said to be exploring through Tesla's ultra-efficient manufacturing system. And what's even more shocking? The idea that it might not even need land to be livable. How is that even possible? How will they work? Where can you actually place these units without buying property? How did Tesla manage to solve the land cost problem? Before we dive into all of these details and more in today's video, please subscribe to the AUTOVERSE channel and help us reach our first 37 subscribers. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell, so you'll be among the first to know about new Tesla projects and everything groundbreaking in the tech world. What's inside the $7,579 Tesla tiny house that's breaking the internet? The Tesla Tiny House 2025 represents a radical rethinking of affordable housing, with specifications that seem almost impossible at its price point. Measuring precisely 240 square feet, 20 by 12 by 9.5 feet, the structure is constructed primarily from Tesla's proprietary GreenCore composite materials, a revolutionary blend of recycled carbon fiber, plant-based resins, and recovered automotive-grade aluminum from Tesla's vehicle production waste stream. This advanced compound, developed in Tesla's Materials Science division, has been reformulated with a 37% stronger tensile strength than traditional building materials through a new molecular bonding process. This innovative material provides R38 insulation value while weighing 64% less than traditional building materials, making the entire 850-pound unit portable enough to be towed by the Cybertruck, using a specially designed 4-point stabilizing hitch system that Tesla has developed alongside the house itself. In wind tunnel tests, the aerodynamic shell demonstrated 22% less drag than comparable mobile structures. The modular design allows owners to expand their living space by connecting multiple units through Tesla's patented Secure Lock system, which creates a weatherproof seal in under 15 minutes with just 2 people, effectively scaling from a 180-square-foot bachelor pad to a 720-square-foot family home with 4 interconnected units. Each module measures approximately 9 feet wide by 20 feet long, providing a total of 180 square feet per unit. Inside, Tesla has maximized every square inch with multifunctional furniture, including a Murphy bed that transforms into a 48-inch workspace during daytime hours, ideal for remote work or study. The compact yet highly functional 6.4-square-foot kitchen features dual-zone induction cooking, a built-in 3.2 cubic-foot refrigerator optimized for off-grid efficiency, and Tesla's new water-efficient dishwasher that operates on just 1.8 gallons per cycle, 40% less than leading compact dishwashers. The bathroom, at a surprisingly spacious 28 square feet, includes a shower that uses Tesla's new microatomization technology to reduce water flow to 0.8 gallons per minute, while maintaining 2.5 times the perceived water pressure, cutting overall water consumption by 40% compared to standard 2.0 GPM low-flow fixtures. The integrated Tesla water loop system recycles gray water from the sink and shower, filtering and reusing up to 70% for non-potable needs, reducing overall household water consumption by nearly 50%. With an estimated base weight of 5,000 pounds per unit, Tesla Tiny House is light enough to be transported by a mid-size electric truck like the Tesla Cybertruck, enabling easy relocation while maintaining durability with aerospace-grade aluminum and sustainable composite materials. The real genius lies in the self-sustainability features that make this tiny house truly revolutionary. The roof integrates Tesla's latest solar glass technology, invisible to the naked eye, yet capable of generating 4.8 kilowatt-hours daily with 23.4% efficiency, compared to the industry standard 20%. This is enough to power all essential functions, including lighting, refrigeration, and climate control. It pairs with the new Powerwall Mini, which stores 15 kilowatt-hours of energy in a compact 24 by 18 by 6-inch unit. This setup allows the house to operate off-grid for up to 3 days without sunlight, with the Powerwall drawing just 0.02 kilowatt-hour in standby mode. For additional resilience, the system includes a 3.6 kilowatt bidirectional inverter, allowing vehicle-to-home V2H charging via a Tesla vehicle. The integrated water management system is designed for both urban and off-grid use. The 120-square-foot rainwater collection system can capture up to 30 gallons daily under average rainfall conditions. Water is processed through a 6-stage filtration system, which includes sediment removal, activated carbon, reverse osmosis, and UV sterilization, ensuring potable quality. A 50-gallon smart storage tank maintains supply stability, while Tesla's AI water flow optimizer prioritizes usage based on demand and conservation needs. Wastewater is efficiently managed with Tesla's new BioLoop system, which treats and recycles up to 70% of gray water for non-potable use, e.g., toilet flushing, irrigation. The AI-powered climate control uses 16 environmental sensors and predictive algorithms to adjust heating and cooling dynamically, consuming 78% less energy than conventional HVAC systems. The entire unit draws just 410 watts at peak operation, roughly 1/3 the power of a traditional mini-split system, while maintaining a constant temperature using phase-change materials that stabilize indoor conditions. With these innovations, Tesla's tiny house operates at a net-zero energy balance in most regions, making it one of the most self-sufficient modular homes on the market. With features like solar glass, Powerwall Mini, and water recycling, how long do you think the Tesla tiny house could run completely off-grid before needing a recharge or water refill? 3 days? 1 week? Half a month? Share your thought. Tesla's manufacturing breakthrough comes from their vertically integrated approach, producing virtually every component in-house, using automated production lines and advanced 3D printing techniques that eliminate up to 90% of traditional construction waste and complete each unit in just 19.5 hours from start to finish. When compared to competitors like Boxable's $50,000 Casita, 350 square feet, or Aptera Sol's $30,000 starter units, 180 square feet, the Tesla tiny house undercuts the market by a staggering 75%, while offering superior technology integration and energy independence. The unit's annual operating cost is estimated at just $267, including maintenance, compared to $2,800 for conventional tiny homes of similar size. Tesla's direct-to-consumer sales model eliminates the typical 28 to 35% dealer markup, and their patent-pending assembly line can produce 1 unit every 47 minutes, a production capacity that traditional housing manufacturers simply cannot match at any price point. If you had the chance to own a Tesla tiny house for just $7,579, would you live in it? Comment 1 if you'd move in right away. Comment 2 if you're still not convinced. Or comment 3 if you want to know more about land's price before deciding, because it's coming right away. Where can you place a Tesla tiny house without buying land? We have a question for you. Which Tesla solution for placing a tiny house without buying land makes the most sense to you? Parking spaces, backyard setups, or low-cost rental lots? Tesla-designed tiny house communities like Starbase Village, or full mobility, living on the move like an RV? The revolutionary $7,579 price point of Tesla's tiny house solves half the housing affordability equation. But the looming question remains: what about land costs? This concern has dominated social media discussions, and also in our comment section since the announcement, with skeptics pointing out that even an affordable home becomes unattainable when paired with land purchases averaging $287,000 nationally or exceeding $700,000 in coastal markets. However, Tesla is reportedly developing multiple land-free solutions that could make this innovation truly accessible to the masses. The most immediate option would leverage existing spaces, with the Tesla tiny house designed to fit standard residential backyards, commercial parking spaces, or low-cost rental plots in developing areas. The unit's 20x12 footprint requires just 240 square feet, smaller than the average two-car garage, 484 square feet, and potentially compliant with 78% of Municipal Accessory Dwelling Unit (ADU) regulations nationwide. Several forward-thinking municipalities, particularly in California and Texas, are expected to launch pilot programs offering public land leases specifically for micro-housing at projected rates between $75 and $125 per month, a fraction of traditional property costs. Austin's proposed Sustainable Living Initiative could potentially approve Tesla tiny houses for their program, with plans for 347 designated sites that would become available starting June 2025 at an estimated $89 monthly for a 5-year lease term, including water and sewage hookups. The city projects a potential 15-year cost savings of $8.4 million in homeless services through this initiative. For those seeking true mobility, the Tesla tiny house's 1,150-pound weight, 63% lighter than comparable boxable units, and aerodynamic design would make it perfectly suited for towing with a Cybertruck or comparable vehicle rated for 2,500+ pounds. The innovative Quick Disconnect utility system, featuring Tesla's proprietary SwiftLink connectors, would allow complete setup in under 20 minutes at any location with the proper permits. RV parking permits, which average $350 annually in most states, $29 monthly, provide access to 13,627 campgrounds and dedicated RV lots nationwide. Premium RV resorts with full amenities typically charge $35 to $65 per night, but long-term stays at standard campgrounds can often be negotiated as low as $450 monthly, with utilities included. The unit's self-contained water and power systems would be designed to function completely off-grid for up to 37 days before requiring service, making it truly location-independent with its planned 120-gallon freshwater capacity and 15-kilowatt-hour Powerwall Mini. Perhaps most intriguing are rumors of Tesla's potential development of dedicated tiny house communities, sustainable micro-neighborhoods powered entirely by renewable energy. According to preliminary documents reportedly filed with Brownsville County officials, a Starbase Village project near SpaceX's Texas facility could become a prototype for this concept, with initial plans suggesting 128 Tesla tiny house units arranged around 4.3 acres of community gardens, 18,500 square feet of shared workspaces, and central Megapack power storage systems, 12.6 MWh capacity. Residents would potentially pay a modest $175 monthly community fee covering all utilities, high-speed Starlink internet, maintenance, and access to shared amenities, approximately 86% less than the U.S. average mortgage payment of $1,284. While Tesla hasn't officially confirmed these developments, satellite imagery shows what appears to be preliminary site preparation at the 27-acre location, and job listings for sustainable community designers with experience in microgrid power distribution and communal resource management have appeared on Tesla's careers page. Industry analysts suggest the company may be evaluating 6 additional land parcels totaling 1,120 acres across Nevada, Arizona, and Florida for potential future expansion. If actualized, these communities would offer residents all the benefits of homeownership without the prohibitive land costs that have kept millions of Americans from achieving this fundamental goal, with a projected total monthly cost, house payment plus community fee, of just $391 based on Tesla's anticipated financing terms. Tesla's Tiny House 2025 isn't just a home. It's a bold vision for the future of sustainable, affordable living. With cutting-edge technology, off-grid capabilities, and an almost unbelievable price tag, Tesla has once again disrupted an industry. But what do you think? Would you consider living in a Tesla tiny house? Do you see this as a real solution to housing affordability, or is there a catch? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest Tesla innovations.